Hey everyone! If you're just dipping your toes into the world of UX design, you've come to the right place. Today I'll help you kickstart your journey by unraveling the essentials of UX design. First up, what is UX design? User experience design is all about crafting products that deliver meaningful and relevant experiences to users. This means designing the entire user journey to ensure it's easy, efficient, and satisfying. UX design is a blend of user research, information architecture, interaction design, usability testing, and visual design. So why is good UX design so important? It increases user satisfaction, enhances usability, improves customer retention, boosts conversion rates, and even reduces development and support costs. In short, it's a win-win for both users and businesses. Now let's talk about the key principles of UX design. First, user-centered design. Always focus on the needs, behaviors, and goals of your users. Next, consistency. Keep your design elements, typography, and navigation uniform. Simplicity. Avoid unnecessary complexity and make interactions intuitive. Accessibility. Make sure your design is usable by people with disabilities. Feedback and response. Provide immediate feedback to user actions. Visual hierarchy. Arrange elements to guide users effectively. And finally, usability. Ensure ease of use, efficiency, and error prevention. The UX design process is straightforward. It starts with research and understanding, where you conduct user interviews, create personas, perform competitive analysis, and gather insights through surveys. Then, information architecture. Organize content logically with sitemaps and structured navigation. Next, wireframing and prototyping. Visualize the user interface using tools like Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch. Once you have your wireframes, move on to visual design. Focus on typography, color schemes, layout, and branding. Then, usability testing. Ensure your design is effective using methods like A/B testing, heat maps, and user feedback sessions. Finally, implementation and iteration. Incorporate feedback and refine your design before deployment. For essential tools, try Figma, Sketch, or Adobe XD for wireframing and prototyping. Google Forms, Typeform, and SurveyMonkey are great for user research. Hotjar and user testing for usability testing, and Miro, Trello, or Notion for collaboration. To learn more, consider online courses on Coursera, Udemy, or Interaction Design Foundation. Check out books like Don't Make Me Think by Steve Krug and The Design of Everyday Things by Don Norman, and don't forget to work on practical projects and build a portfolio. That's a wrap. UX design is a crucial aspect of product development that ensures user satisfaction and business success. By understanding user needs, following design principles, and using the right tools, you're well on your way to mastering UX design